So today's message is about intentions. So the first thing, whenever I talk to people about intentions, I like to ask them, what do you think an intention is? Let's talk about defining an intention. And the way that I like to define it is to think of it actually as a plan. It's a goal, it's a vision actually. So vision is very important to how we use our energy. Without a vision, our energy gets scattered because our focus is going hither, whither, thither, all over the place. But when you have a vision, it's like all the energy, literally your whole electromagnetic field, your mind begins to gather the particles, and literally the particles like focus on that particular thing. And then as a result, energy gathers there. And as it trickles down into the first plane, first dimension, your physical reality takes on a change. So my question to you today is, what is it that you want to accomplish? There's something that you want. And now is the time to lay it on the table. Now, more than just knowing what you want, it's very important how you communicate to the universe when you have a vision. Because for some people, they'll be like praying, like, please help me, help me, help me. But then there's no specifics about the help. So the universe, you can say works in terms of semantics. It likes numbers. It likes specificity. The more specific you are, the more the universe receives the message. This is just how to help this person. And those things may come in a way that are unpredictable, or, things, the how could be like things you couldn't even imagine. But by being specific, by using semantics, by using numbers, you're clarifying more clearly in a very grounded way. You're sending a message to the universe. This is what I want help with in this specific way. But like I said, this is about intentions. Don't worry about the how. The how is what you kind of leave up to energy. It's beyond thought. It's beyond imagination. Your job is to make your vision. Let's try to think of an example of what would be like a vision, like an example of me making a vision that the universe can easily kind of translate. Maybe it's weight, and maybe at the end of the 7 days, I want to see if I lose 5 pounds, and that's very specific vision. I can see my physical body. What would I look like? If I lost those 5 pounds, how would I feel? So on top of the semantics, you then want to go to the next step, and you want to kind of do a visualization. You want to kind of draw a picture of like, how would it feel emotionally if I actually achieved my vision. Actually, even before you try to feel it emotionally, try to draw the picture in your mind. What would it look like in your mind? So see yourself in a room somewhere, sitting somewhere, your emotional disposition. And then once you can see all the details of the result, then focus in on the feeling that it creates in you. Like, are you happy? Do you feel healthy? Do you feel lighter? Do you feel like you're connected more, like you're getting answers more? What is it? What is the result? And as you do this, as you form your vision, just to let you know, sometimes a little bit of fear comes in. And that's very, very natural. Sometimes a little hesitation, anxiety, fear comes in. And that's because a vision is something that you haven't yet achieved. And so it's like you're trying to tell your brain, against the negative thoughts or the negative emotions or emotional memories that you may have. You are trying to give your brain new information to penetrate old beliefs, to take them out and replace them with affirming, aligned information. And it's very natural to experience doubt and fear in that process. So what I'm saying to you is, even if the doubt comes up, even if you feel a little fear in your belly, that little bit of hesitation, don't worry about it. Just make your vision. And then the first thing you need to do after you make your vision, and you're doing it, is take the action toward it. Today is about intentions. So right now, write down your intention. So you're setting off on the right foot. good luck. I love you and congratulations. And that is my message to you today.